Think your toddler needs flashcards and apps to learn fast? Think again. Today, you'll discover how toddlers learn a lot more fun than you think. How toddlers learn has nothing to do with sitting still. Their brains grow best through play, movement, and emotional connection. Here are the 3 science-backed secrets behind how toddlers really learn and how you can use them today. Repeating words and actions? That's not annoying. It's wiring their brain for mastery. When toddlers move, their brains light up. Movement helps them learn faster, and it sticks. How toddlers really learn isn't just about facts, it's about feelings. When they feel safe and loved, their brain turns on. You don't need special tools, just your time and your talk. Here's how to turn your day into a learning lab. Narrate everything. Mom, Dad and I are washing the table. Let them explore. What happens when Mom helps? Ask fun questions. Can you find something yellow? How toddlers really learn is by being part of your world, one tiny moment at a time. To your toddler, you are the ultimate teacher. When you speak, move, smile, and play, you're actually shaping their brain. Toddlers learn by feeling loved, exploring freely, and doing things over and over with you by their side. You don't need to do more. You need to do what matters. Because how toddlers really learn is through love, play, and the ordinary moments you share. If this helped you see your toddler differently, tap like, subscribe, and don't miss our next video.